Welcome to SkinIO Teledermatology for Providers. In this module, I am going to walk you through how to access, view, and complete incoming consult requests from your patients directly through the SkinIO system. Once you log into the SkinIO system, using your username and password or your 4-digit PIN, you will be presented with the home screen. You can access incoming consult requests in two convenient ways. One is directly through the home screen, where you will see a patient images icon at the top of the screen, with a red badge count for any pending requests you have not yet accepted. When you tap on this icon, you will be presented with your incoming consult request list that includes every request sent by your patients in the left sidebar. You may also use the filter icon at the top right of the left sidebar to quickly filter the view to only display the pending consult requests and hide all the completed ones. You can also access an incoming consult request specifically for a patient by searching directly for that patient on the home screen. If you search for a patient and go to that patient's profile, you will also see the patient images icon at the top of the patient profile sidebar. You can tap into that directly to access all the incoming consult requests from that patient specifically. Any consult requests marked with the waiting status are ones that are waiting for you to review. When you tap into a consult request that is waiting for your review, you will be prompted with a pop-up window to confirm that you want to accept this patient's consult request. You have the option to cancel, but once you accept, you will not be able to back out of reviewing the request. Once you accept the consult, you will see all of the images and notes submitted by the patient. You will see their top-level notes with the ability to tap to expand to see their entire set of notes. You will also see all images submitted by the patient, organized by region photo at the top level and associated close-up photos. You may tap into any image independently. When you tap into the region photo, you will automatically see camera icons for spots that have close-up photos. You will be able to pinch and zoom into various parts of the photo and directly tap on the camera icon to automatically pan and zoom into those spots with close-up photos. Once you tap on a spot, you will be able to view the close-up photo by tapping on the Images button in the spot bar. You can now view the close-up image and pinch and zoom to view as much detail in the image as you would like. Once you dismiss the image, you will be returned to the region photo, still highlighting that spot. If you wish, you will be able to mark that spot as important or add notes or education tags that link directly to educational content directly on that spot. You can tap the consult date at the top left to return to the summary view of the consult. If you tap into one of the close-up photos directly, you will be presented with that region photo automatically centered and zoomed on the location for which there is a close-up photo, again to give you the overall context of the patient's skin. The Images button in the spot bar will automatically be flashing to encourage you to tap to view the close-up photo. Once you return to the summary view of the consult, you can tap the blue button at the bottom right of the screen to complete your review. You will be prompted with a window to enter in any notes to your patient. This is entirely optional. You may start typing your notes here. And if you decide you need to go back to one of the patient's photos, you may tap the Close button at the top right, view the image, then return to the complete review window. And your previously entered notes will be saved as long as you remain in the consult for that particular patient. Once you are satisfied with your notes, or if you do not want to include any additional notes, you can tap the blue check mark button at the bottom right to complete the review. Your patient will be notified that you have reviewed their consult, and you are free to follow up with your patient in any manner you choose.